Hi class 7. Welcome back to your Vedic math class. Hope you all are staying well, right? So we have already started with what? Division of any number by 98. So you have understood when we do 98, that means since double digits, so we will take from the sum which is given to us. Those digits also we will take from right side double, right? And we will end up to the left one, whatever is left. If 1, then 1. If 2, then 2, right? Okay, so let's start. 4868. Suppose this is your number. Okay, so from right hand when we start, it's this way, right? Now, what I will do, pattern remains same. 48 I will drop down. Then I will write 68 plus what? 48 into 2. Right? So, I will write here 48 into 2. Now, what's the number? 48 into 2 means we will get 96. Right? So, 68 plus 96 will give me 164. Now, keep in mind 164 is my last number. So, I will divide with 98. 98. Now, can you tell me how many times it will go? It will go only one time. So, we can write 1, right? And then, what will be my remainder? It will be 66. Once you calculate, you will get it. It is 66. So, now start the balancing. Now, 1 will move to this part. So, it will be 49. That means 49 is your quotient. 66 is your remainder. Okay? Let's move to the next one. Okay, next question. 9439 divided by 98. Okay, let's see. 9439 divided by 98. So, 94 will come down. Then I will write 39 plus 94 into 2 will give me 188. Now, this plus this is equal to 227. So, this is my last number. I will divide with 98. So, it will go 2 times. Okay. So, if it goes 2 times, your remainder will be 31. You calculate, you will get it. Now, we will do what? Balancing. 2 will come here. So, 96 is your quotient. 31 is your remainder. Clear? Now, let's move to the next one. It's the easiest form. Okay. Because you are already done with this type. Now come to question number 3. See, it's given 2645 divided by 98. So pattern remains same. 26 will come down. Then 45 plus 26 into 2. So it's 52 here. That means 45 plus 52 will give you 97. Now see, 97 means less than 98. So you know what you have to do. Just direct. And what is left out for you? 26. So write 26. That means 26 is your quotient and 97 is your remainder. Next. So page 25 and 26, you will do it by yourself. See, in 26 it's word problem. So you can do it. You have to apply the same formulas. 8 is only there, I guess. 8, 99, 98. So you know the process how to divide. You will do it in that way. Okay. I'll show you 2 more sums. Come to question number 4. 8630 divided by 98. How it will go? 86 I have written. Then 30 plus 86 into 2. Okay. In total, I can write 172. Remove everything. In total, I have written 172. Done. Now, 172 plus 30. That means I am getting 202. Okay. So, what I will get? 202. Now, 202 is my last number. Done. So, what I will do? I will divide. How many times it will go? 2 times. I will write 2 here. Now, next one will be 06. Okay. Because here you have to take double number. Remember, because base number you have to keep in mind. So, we will write 06. Now, what is the answer 86 will come down adding this. So it's 88 quotient and 06 is your remainder. And the last one. Okay. 5218. Again with 98. So 52 I put it down. Now 18 plus 52 into 2. That means 18 plus 104 will give you 122. Now divided by 98. It will go one time only, I guess. Yes, one time. And your remainder will be 24. So what you will do, you will write here 24. Take this here. So it's 53. So your quotient is 53. Remainder is 24. So in this way you are going to solve all the sums of page number 25. Do page number 26 also. I know you all can do it. Now in the next class, we will start with division of any number by 11. Only 2 exercises are there. Then we will do division of any number by the series of 12 to 19. Only one exercise. Exercise A and B. One page. We will do that. Okay. So these 2 are left. We will do. Then we will move to the factors sums. So we are having only 4 to 5 topics left, which we will be doing very soon. Complete till this much. Take the pic and send it to me. Take care. Bye-bye.